Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, PE and Health, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 2. Our topic for today is about road safety. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Demonstrate self-management skills for road safety. Learning objectives. A. Define road safety. B. Apply the importance of pedestrian safety. C. Appreciate self-management skills for road safety. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Watch the video about road safety and traffic rules and answer the questions below. Road safety and traffic rules. 1. What are the possible dangers that can be encountered here? Answer. The video is about road safety and following traffic rules. 2. What have you learned from the video? Answer. I learned to follow traffic signs, use pedestrian lanes, and be careful on the road. 3. Why do you think that rules and regulations are important? Answer. They are important because they keep people safe and prevent accidents. What comes to mind first when you see this picture? Share your answers to the class. Unlocking content vocabulary. Road safety. Pertains to the measures taken to reduce the risk of road traffic injuries and death. Pedestrian signals, also known as pedestrian traffic lights or walk signals, provide instructions to pedestrians regarding when it's safe to cross the street. Subtopic number 1. Basic road signs and traffic signals, rights and responsibilities. Familiarize yourself with the road signs. Familiarize traffic signals. Activity number 1. I know road signals. Match the words to the pictures. Here are the answers. Subtopic number 2. Pedestrian safety. Importance of sidewalks, crosswalks, pedestrian signals, crossing the streets safely. Do you know? Pedestrian safety begins with understanding and following the basics. Always use crosswalks when available, obey traffic signals, and look both ways before crossing the street. These simple actions can greatly reduce the risk of accidents. Sidewalks. Sidewalks provide designated path for pedestrians, separate from vehicular traffic. They offer a safe space for walking, jogging, or cycling away from the dangers of moving vehicles. Well-maintained sidewalks with adequate width, proper lighting, and minimal obstructions enhance pedestrian safety and accessibility. Crosswalks. Crosswalks are designated areas where pedestrians can safely cross the road. They are typically marked with white stripes and often accompanied by signage or traffic signals. Crosswalks help to establish clear points of crossing, reducing the risk of pedestrian vehicle collisions. Properly marked and maintained crosswalks are essential for guiding pedestrian traffic and promoting safe crossing behavior. Pedestrian signals. Pedestrian signals, also known as pedestrian traffic lights or walk signals, provide instructions to pedestrians regarding when it's safe to cross the street. These signals are synchronized with traffic lights to ensure that pedestrians have dedicated time to cross the road safely. Clear and visible pedestrian signals help pedestrians make informed decisions about when to cross, reducing the likelihood of conflicts with vehicle traffic. Crossing streets safely. Educating pedestrians about safe crossing practices is crucial for minimizing accidents. Pedestrians should be encouraged to use designated crosswalks whenever possible and to wait for the appropriate signal indicating it's safe to cross. They should also make eye contact with drivers to ensure they are seen before stepping onto the road. Additionally, pedestrians should avoid distractions such as using smartphones or wearing headphones while crossing streets, as these can impair awareness of traffic. Activity 2. Enhancing pedestrian safety, importance of infrastructure, and safe practices. Analyze the scenario and answer the question below. Pedestrian safety is a critical aspect of urban planning and transportation management. Providing safe infrastructure and promoting responsible pedestrian behavior are key factors in reducing accidents and creating walkable communities. In this example, we will explore the importance of sidewalks, crosswalks, pedestrian signals, and safe crossing practices in ensuring pedestrian safety. Scenario: imagine a bustling urban neighborhood with heavy vehicular traffic and a high volume of pedestrians, including commuters, residents, and tourists. The area lacks adequate pedestrian infrastructure, leading to numerous safety concerns and accidents involving pedestrians and vehicles. Problem: without designated spaces for pedestrians to walk and cross the streets safely, there is an increased risk of accidents and injuries. Jaywalking and unpredictable crossing behaviors further exacerbate the situation, making it challenging for drivers to anticipate pedestrian movements. What do you think are the solutions? Possible answer: the solutions are to build sidewalks and crosswalks so pedestrians can walk and cross safely. Pedestrian signals and road signs should be added to guide both people and drivers. Teaching people to follow traffic rules and having traffic enforcers can help prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. Activity number 3, crossing street. Use the picture and word cards to complete each sentence. Here are the choices: people, signs, trains, cars. First, I look for signs. Second, I look for trains. Third, I look for cars. Fourth, I look for people. Day 2, subtopic number 3, passenger safety, using the designated loading and unloading zones, not running into the streets. What is loading and unloading? Loading is putting goods or items onto a vehicle, like a truck or ship. Unloading is taking goods or items off a vehicle. Do you know? Loading and unloading zone signs mark areas in parking lots or along streets that are designated for the loading and unloading of freight or passengers. These signs help prevent unwanted vehicles from parking in specific areas. Activity number 4, your insight is important. Give your insights about the picture and write it on the space provided. Look at this picture. The picture shows a no loading or unloading sign on the road. It reminds people not to stop their vehicles there to load or unload items. This helps keep traffic smooth and prevents accidents. Subtopic number 4, bicycle safety, importance of wearing helmets and using bike hand signals. I follow rider-ready bicycle safety rules. Are you ready to ride? Look at the picture. Answer yes or no to the questions. 1. Is your helmet the right size for your head? Yes or no? 2. Do you wear bright colored clothing so that you can be easily seen? Yes or no? 3. Does your bicycle have reflections? Yes or no? 4. Do your feet reach the ground when you are sitting on the bicycle? Yes or no? Let us study this. Hand signals are used by bike riders to let people around them know their intentions. When coming up to intersections, it's great to indicate using hand signals which way you intend to turn. You can also let other bike riders know of any hazards. Bicycle hand signals. You are required by law to give a hand signal when turning right or merging to the right lane. Activity number 5, decorate the helmet. Design your dream bike helmet by adding stickers, glitter, etc. or simply color the helmet the way you like. Design your dream bike helmet. Art rubric. Focus, composition, creativity, and craftsmanship. Subtopic number 5, self-management skills for road safety. My road safety checklist. First, I can find the safest place to cross. Second, I can stop just before I get to the curb. Third, I can look all around for traffic. Fourth, I can listen for traffic. Fifth, I can wait for traffic to pass before crossing. Sixth, I can wait until it is safe before I cross the street. Worked example, let us study this. 1. Stop, look, listen. Stop at curbs, look left, right, left, and listen for oncoming vehicles before crossing. 2. Use crosswalks. Use designated crosswalks and pedestrian signals whenever possible. 3. Stay alert. Stay alert while walking, avoiding distractions like phones or headphones. 4. Be predictable. Walk on sidewalks and cross streets and right angles whenever possible. 5. Wait for the signal. You must wait for the signal at intersections and not cross against the light. 6. Walk facing traffic. If there is no sidewalk, walk facing oncoming traffic. 7. Hold hands. For younger kids, holding hands with an adult or older sibling can provide extra safety. 8. Practice safe play. Play away from roads and driveways to avoid accidents. 9. Know emergency procedures. Know what to do in case of an emergency, like how to call for help or find a trusted adult. Activity number 6, Road Safety Maze. Guide the monkey to school and make sure you avoid the cars. Here's the maze that you need to answer. Learners' takeaways. Define road safety inside the rectangle. Answer: road safety is the practice of following rules and being careful on the road to prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. Reflection on learning, complete me. Complete the following sentences by giving the appropriate answer needed in the blank. Let's answer. Loading and unloading zone signs mark areas in parking lots or along streets that are designated for the loading or unloading of freight or passengers. These signs help prevent unwanted vehicles from parking in specific areas. Formative assessment, let's have a quiz. Instructions, read the following sentences carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. 1. What does a red traffic light mean? Answer: A. Stop. 2. When crossing the street at a pedestrian crossing, what should you do? Answer: A. Look both ways before crossing. 3. If there is no sidewalk, where should you walk facing traffic? Answer: A. On the left side of the road. 4. What should you wear when riding a bike? Answer: A. A helmet. 5. If you're riding a bike at night, what should you have on your bike? Answer: reflectors and lights. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!